Hi, Jana. Congratulations, first of all, for clearing your
Thank
charter
you, sir. Thank you so
accountancy.
much, sir.
Yeah. So, this video series is called Inspiring CS Stories. And
Yes,
this
sir.
video, we are going to talk in English. Okay, because
Yes, sir.
there are students with whom I'm talking in Tamil, and with you, I'm going to talk in English, so that it will be
Yes, sir.
beneficial to Pan India, basically. So
Okay.
I
Thank you,
know
sir.
you since like last more than 2 years. I know you,
Yes, sir.
and thanks for your sweet which you sent from Hyderabad. I received yesterday night.
Okay, sir.
It's like a very good gesture for me.
Yeah.
So in this inspiring story, I want Jana's story also. Okay, I
Okay,
know
sir.
Jana has lot of health difficulties. Okay, with
Yes, sir.
health difficulty because you are in my personal mentoring. Almost 2 months you are in mentorship.
Yes,
So
sir.
I used to regularly ask you, call you, used to regularly report me. So
Yes, sir.
I came to know there is health issues, all those things. And with all the difficulties you cleared this time, I know you cleared first group a little earlier,
Yes, sir.
and second group you finished now. So you tell your CA journey, how all, and you also told the articleship has much difficulty for you.
Yes, sir.
So how you overcome all this no ups and downs in CA life, CA career.
Surely, sir. I'd like to share my experience here. I started this journey in 2012 after my plus two. We call intermediate in Hyderabad here. So then I took this CPT exam, and it was the first milestone. I got 169. It was a bit disappointing at the time because I used to be a topper always, and not getting a rank was a bit disappointing. But still, I was able to clear. Went into IPCC where first time I experienced failure. I never failed before that in life. It was quite depressing also because I never saw F in my report card till that date. Again, I for IPCC I did my own study. I didn't go for any coaching center in Hyderabad also because I was not aware of the coaching classes and I was scared of people. I can speak on stage, but I can't sit with a group of people. I did my own study. I found ICA books very interesting. All fat books equal to my height. I sat and did everything, and I in first the second attempt I cleared group one of IPCC, and then it was group two. Group two was a bit more. I say it is a bit hard because I got one or two fever at that on that exam date. It was at information technology, same MISCA kind of thing in the old syllabus. After that, I cleared and I joined a firm, normal small firm where it was overcrowded. The Therefore initial look of articleship I didn't like it. Though the course was interesting, CA was exciting. There were a lot of amendments where we need to follow a lot of things to focus. It was not regular studies to do. Then I didn't like that articleship firm because it was overcrowded and lack of segregation of work. Then I jumped to PwC. They took me in after a lot of interview, which was very unlikely, but I felt lucky for myself. I went in there. It was good, but not too good. Like I was unable to meet my expectation. I wanted to do audit. I was given transfer pricing, and article student can't do much in transfer pricing. What I feel because they didn't give me anything much to do, and then it was like do the normal official like just file service tax returns and do certain normal kind of thing where you can't benefit yourself after you do a CA. It was a kind of very minus point of thing there for me, and it was highly demotivating because there was no peer bonding there. I was completely all alone, don't know the classes. Generally, people start their studies in articleship. I started after my articleship because I was not aware how to study, where to go, where is the exam center. In that articles, my senior, who was bit tough guy, he told that there is a guy by the name AKS Krishnan. He is very young. He just qualified. When he teaches, he'll get 70 plus. He cleared group two. He didn't clear group one. He didn't clear now also. Okay. Then he said that he came and met you, and you gave his book. You gave your book to him, and you said you come to my class. He didn't attend your class. He just gave outline. Then I came to know first time. Okay, there will be faculties for each paper. It is not a college kind of thing. I need to, and my IPCC tricks won't work. In this journey what happened then, there was main learning from the CA course instilled here was lot of standing alone, like you must be able to defend yourself. You will not be spoon fed. You will not get pampering. You must try to learn, and there will be many cases where though you ask your seniors, they'll not teach you. You must be good with Google and YouTube to know and learn. That one I realized it after 3 years of my articles. Till that daily I used to go sit empty, ask them work, and come out disappointed. That was the one small thing which made me really depressed. In that journey, I used to daily go to VAT department, service tax and VAT. There, in the second year of my articleship, I met with an accident in which my feet got dislocated on the bike, and I was bedridden for almost 8 months. It delayed my articles, and it got multiple health complications. I became obese, and no coaching classes. And online was not that much popular at that time, and I was unable to take. I don't know which faculty to approach. Nothing. I didn't even use YouTube. I can't sit. There is no question of studying there. And then the CA final journey started. Go to other class. Then at 2018 it gave me a break. I got the first group one clear by following your book for law. I did all the three books what you have given, even for audit. And then FR, there's a faculty with him, Kalyan Chakravarti sir. He is not now taking any class, but he was in the institute. That I got a clearance after writing for 4 attempts. In 2019, the result came for November 18. Again, my journey started for group 2. There, what I lacked is the tactics. Group 2 is such a thing where DT, IDT will play a major role. AMA and ISCA are somewhat constant, they won't change, they will practice. But DT, IDT, thanks to Modi ji, there were constant amendments for us day in, day out. There was transfer pricing, NRI taxation, and I used my IPCC approach. IPCC approach was just like read 5 heads of income, do TDS, do penalties, and in exam they'll not ask those things there. Yeah, that's thing. And my health slowly improved. I November 19, I thought I will pass, but I didn't get even 40 marks in any paper. It was again disappointing. Then I thought, no, I'll write in November 2020. I kept the spot like that. I thought I'll skip main 2020 exam. I paid the fees, but I decided to quit at the last moment. Luckily, COVID came. I'll not say COVID is lucky, but for me, it was bit beneficial.
You are the second person to tell this COVID is lucky for you. Because
In two
Parmesh
ways.
also told the same thing.
2 ways. In my house, my mom and dad are very cooperative. They pay for any class you want. They'll never say no. When I said, "Amma, I want mentorship from AKS, I'm unable to do it alone. Like I'm lacking confidence." I said, "Okay, you go, you take the thing. We will afford. Don't worry." They are retired people. Their pension is very less. They are retired, both people from the government job. My mom worked in cooperative society, and my dad in state government of erstwhile Andhra Pradesh, but retired in Telangana. So luckily, he came under Telangana government. In the small pension, they were able to afford for me. They never said no to any class, and we know the cost of online classes these days. They were any crash course, any book I point out. The books were 500 rupees when I started the course. Now they're around 1200, 1300. The book cost. They afforded. They gave me every possible comfort I needed. That made me realize that no, I need to change my plan. And when COVID came, before COVID, there's one more stress. We know South Indians, when there's a girl of 25, come on, marriage, quit the course. Mom and dad, they never said that. My
Very good
uncle,
advice.
my aunt, those
Thanks to
people.
them then. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. They never told, they never forced me for marriage. They said, TK, what will happen? You do slowly. There is no urgency for us. They want me to settle happily in my place. They were afraid that my health may ruin more. But these relatives, come on, get married. Find a boy who is at IBCC. You both do income tax filing. Income tax has become online technologically. Normal small articles guy can do. What will I earn in that? All old age drama. But September will come, you earn 1 lakh in September. What 1 lakh in September? GST has come, open that firm. How will that, those things will that household, typical household mentality will not work for the modern CA. We are running behind data analytics and technology. These people are in ITRs still. So that mouth they became shut in the COVID. No marriage question, no foreign trips. Okay, no comparison with anybody. All were shut because all foreigners were coming out. The employees were coming back. There's no point in behind me. They always shut completely. I got mental peace there. And I was not afraid of ICA postponement because I know how much time I get is better for me. That I took some time to adjust to cope up my revision from 6 to 12 hours. Then under your guidance, I was able to slowly increase. That accident had made my right hand go numb. Now also I can't write for more than 20 minutes. It was very painful. My two fingers get twisted and the pen falls down. You have in mind the answer will not come on the paper. It will result in headache and migraine, hands painful in the exam. Then I thought, this time I have worked hard. Sir guided me. I did everything, but hand pain is still there. What can I do? How much you know, exam will not work out for you. Then by God's grace, my mind worked. I went on Amazon. I searched hand pain relief gadgets. They came a muzzle patch for the sports people for relief of the pain. From my neck to the hand, all the entire right hand, I put 6 patches every day, including the alternate day of exams. And in Amazon, you will find a hand rubber grip for the students, for the children to learn handwriting practice. The cellophane grip pen is the only pen that fits into that grip. I fit that grip, kept for my fingers, and then with the help of 3 fingers, I wrote the exam. So luckily, the exam center never asked me why I'm writing like this or what are the patches here, because in 240 people center, only 40 people attended. I thought I'm going to pass this time. And the center was a scary place. It is like a scary bungalow. We thought, what is social distancing? But ICA concept is that if you keep a large space, people will crowd there. It is so narrow space, no one can crowd in that. They have to go and come out like that. That is a concept ICA thought. But it's a nice, good building. People were very cooperative. Though my hand was paining, I was able to write 3 hours continuously with presentation, neat drawing of the boxes, writing formulas, writing explanation for the DT paper, every provision writing explanation, including IDT also. There were questions on exemptions. In this, there were questions on NRA taxation. Every provision was able to remember because the hand was cooperating with me now. But the last exam, it didn't cooperate. It gave up. But I made it right. I was able to put everything there. And then I said, this time I'm going to clear it off. This is the end I was able to do. Then the journey came to an end, and on the day of result, though I know I will clear, you'll understand that butterflies in stomach there. And lastly, when I hit the button, first I saw it is P or F, only those 2 words. It was P, and come on, it is done now. So 2012 journey in June, sorry, in April with CPT in May exam, ended in 2021, exactly the reverse of the number. But I didn't leave. How much force people kept on me to leave the course. In between, I cleared my CS professional also 2018. I did that. I did my PG post graduation also. I didn't leave those things. But people asked me to leave CA, do civils, or do something else. But I said, when we are committed, it's like relationship. It's like simple love relationship. You do not have a person there. You have to talk with CA books, understand the pattern, understand what they like, what ICA likes. Then depending upon your CA is like a fiance. Okay, depending upon its requirements, if you study, you will pass. Then lastly, we got engaged, and after such membership comes, it is like marriage to CA. That's it. So now no more wrong proposals like IPCC ko marry IPCC guy or something like that. So now I got a name and people are okay, you're done. That's good. So this is the long journey of 9 years story. I think I said more than 9 minutes, but the
Yeah,
health is
long story
something which is,
short. That's what we can say.
yeah, it was
Because
though it was
see,
thing I highs and lows, but I was able to do it.
people who are in outside, no, they don't know the pain which CA gives to us. Okay, they are thinking like it's just a course, no. Why these people are putting a lot of scene?
Yeah,
Okay, only a CA and a person like me can appreciate what we sacrificed for this course. So
exactly.
not many can appreciate it.
And
Maybe
the market,
another
yes,
CA student can appreciate it. Like no, Jana's
yeah.
story. Uh, See, this story I'm going to post in my channel. That's the reason I'm recording this story also.
Mm,
Because see, I have seen many people. I still remember there is a girl called Krishna Priya.
mm,
She met with an accident like you.
mm.
Okay? Now she is working, I think so, in good company. She is working. She got married, all those things. I have seen many people who got accident during their articleship life, and it got like a U-turn.
Yes, sir.
The entire life goes in struggle.
Mm.
Okay, and people can't just share their pain actually.
Exactly,
Okay,
exactly, yes, sir.
for the person, see, they may not be the reason for it, but due to the office work only, it all happened. Actually speaking, we can.
Yes, sir.
But no one will take that no
They will not
responsibility
take the
or
responsibility.
blame. No one is ready to take. They will say it's your fault. What can we do? And
Yes,
the entire life will be suffering because of that.
yes,
Okay,
sir.
even though we may get recovered, but what happened during those days?
Mm.
This gives no. It is like a vicious circle.
It
One
takes a lot
failure
of
gives
time to
you
come
another
out.
failure. One depression gives you another depression. And more than that, money also will be flowing out. Slow
More.
money also will be going there.
Multiple
So
health complications.
exactly, that's the thing. See, at least what we can tell through our story, what we can tell, no, the confidence we can give. See, if Jana, with all this difficulty, if Jana can pass, then you can pass. If all
Exactly.
this difficulty Jana didn't leave the course, then you should also not leave the course. See, there are 100 reasons to tell, or 100 reasons to just throw the books.
Mm.
Okay, but there is only one reason: the passion, the love. Okay, which you are sticking with the book.
Exactly, sir.
Okay, there are no day in and day out. There are reasons, or no, there is frustration. Because of this books only, no, my life is getting ruined. Okay, because of this course only, no, my life is getting ruined. I am getting questioned by 100 people, and they don't know me, no, thoroughly. They don't know us, but they will
Sleepless
come and
nights.
question you. They don't have anything in our life. They are not even a part of our life, but they will trigger something and go.
Yes,
Then
sir.
our family, they will start thinking about it. They will lose their peace of mind, all those things, right?
Sleepless nights.
Yes.
Like my mom and dad has many years of sleepless nights, and after my accident, they were completely shattered. And almost the savings went off with that treatment there. But and one more thing, sir. There are two things. One thing, many foreign courses, like 1 year courses coming into India, making people think it's easy. It's not. That also will take time. Anything if you don't study properly will hit you. And I'm not blaming any faculty here, but the short term or crash course, what the teacher, many people take, right, that is actually hampering students. They will teach what was actually asked by ICA for many years, but ICA will change the pattern like that. The student must analyze the pattern. The crash courses will make the student feel the subject is over. There is a difference in for group 2. For this time, I read the entire study material, entire practice manual. I practiced till my hand cooperated. Then it went through the exam. But doing a crash course will not help. I'm not saying it is wrong. The thing is that first you do the entire thing and then come to the crash course.
Crash
That
course, according to me, even I will tell you now also, crash course will not suit for a fresher. Crash course is
exactly.
only for at least 2 times they would have written the examination, and maybe like no, they lost the touch with the books.
Mm,
So there should be a faculty who can finish within a very short period of time. Crash course can
yes,
never be for a fresher. That I
pressure.
am totally accepting that. Okay, Jana. So, Jana, what next? So now that with all difficulties, everything is over now. The
Yes, sir.
journey is come to the destination. So
Your
you should
journey
tell
has
me
to
like what
start now.
next?
Sir, as you know, I have my YouTube channel, MJS Knowledge Hub.
Yeah.
So, in which I keep ISKA videos. Still,
Okay.
one more attempt is there for ISKA. So, I try to keep there everything, revision kind of thing, and few motivation stuff. I'll be introducing that thing. Then I will pack up I'll see many job profiles,
Okay.
what suits to
You
me.
just repeat your channel now, right? Name
MJS Knowledge Hub.
MJS Knowledge Hub.
Yeah,
Okay.
it
Yeah.
is M is my home surname and JS is Janasri there.
Yeah. Because see, after listening to the video, there are two options. People will comment, Madam, repeat the YouTube channel name.
Name.
Okay, that will be the major comments I can see.
Yes,
Second
sir.
thing, you tell me like what you are doing in that channel.
I generally kept videos of ISKA, sir. Now also keep the revision videos for ISKA, including MCQs, few motivation stuff in that, and
So
then study
still
pattern.
the old group students, because the old group is still in till May.
Yes,
So those people, the old group students who want that ISKA, they
mm.
can come to MJS Knowledge Hub.
Yeah, MJS for Shimla, MJS.
Okay, MJS, yes, okay,
Yeah,
Knowledge Hub.
hub exactly.
Okay, so
And they can
there you
find
can
even
see and
my ISKA PDF also. That's for sale, of course. That it's a small monetary kind of thing. Even I
okay,
had an MCQ book for about 400 plus ISKA MCQs. I have prepared myself in
okay,
that. And last day revision is also prepared by me. It used to be 100 pages. I made it now to 200 because now I made it bit gap in line so that you study well. I didn't make it clumsy. Content is same, just presentation wise it became a bit more formatted. That I'll upload it still. So that those two books I've kept that. And in that I'll keep some motivation thing, a preparation pattern, how to study ISKA and what things they need to focus even for the group 2 purpose. And if possible, after revision lectures, I'll keep Excel videos. This is
okay.
the first YouTube channel thing. And coming to my future goal action, I'll see many job profiles first. What are the requirements? What are lagging? I'll try to find for Excel and MS Office, I can learn. That's no problem. But for
So,
other things, I'll see any.
today job profile, first they are asking IFRS.
Yeah, I need to do that.
Then second, they are asking the latest provisions of DT and IDT. That's all.
That's okay. I'm fine with that.
This three only they are asking regularly. I can see the profile thing. And when
Okay.
it comes to auditors, like like Big Four, all those things,
Mm.
they are basically asking you the assurance levels of questions, which is like auditing basically.
Audit
So,
standards
and
kind of thing.
recent amendments in Companies Act, all those things. Nothing more than that. So whatever you studied in your final only, they are asking.
Yes,
And
fine.
basically attitude check, whether you are ready to work 10 hours a day,
Uh-huh.
9 hours a day. That attitude check they are doing.
Exactly. I need to improve on the IFRS thing. Other than otherwise, I'm okay with those things there. So
Okay.
I'll be focusing on trying to get a job that
Okay.
after once my health settles down, I'll focus on. Maybe a 2-3 months I need some rest.
Okay.
I'll pick up and work on that because now if I go, I'm not sure of going working anywhere. I don't want to get pressured and hampered again. Get into cycle saying that I'm not useful for anything. I'll just equip myself with the required things and then I'll have a good shot.
Yeah.
There
So
is no
all the best for your
end of
future,
equip.
actually. Okay. All the best for your future
Yes,
and
sir.
stay in touch. Yeah. See you.
Sure, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.